Hey, welcome to the Sam Revisited. I originally did this about 5 years ago, and the original is located at cheaptutor.com, but someone asked me to redo it. But you might want to watch the other one too. What is the SAM? The SAM is an acronym for the Save As method. Save As method. Here's the idea behind it. If you have a house right here and you built it for a builder and it's on lot number one, then he wants to do the same exact house but on lot number two, but he wants to change this arched window right here to a square window. Are you going to redraw the whole set of plans? No, you're just going to copy this and change that one window. If you want to change it from a two-car garage to a three-car garage, are you going to redo the whole thing? No, you're probably just going to copy this and add a third-car garage onto it. So with the SAM, it's essentially the same. You're just editing this plan, but it's a full-on edit. Two advantages to the SAM. The first advantage is all these views are already sent to layout. You don't ever have to send anything to layout. The only thing I send to layout are my cabinet elevations. I suppose you could do that with the template method, a template layout and the template plan, and do it that way if you want. But the second advantage is this plan right here is the latest and greatest, which means that over a course of time, as I worked on this, I might have added a nano set or tweaked the line weights or something. And so I essentially improved it. So if you're not improving your template layout, or in my mind, for me, it's the SAM, it's the latest and greatest, you're not really improving how you do things, I don't think. We're always improving. So how do we go about this? This is called Workshop Layout 1. So I'm going to now get into the SAM. I'm going to create an exact duplicate of this. I'm going to save this right here as Save As Layout B. Let's get a capital in there. B1. Save it. And so now I've got an exact duplicate of the layout A. And now this is layout B, right? But layout B right now still has the same files associated with it, tools, as layout A. Layout files. Those are the same files, right? So what you do is you just open this up, file save this as file save as workshop plan B. Save it. F6. Go over to here to sheet number probably 8. And these are my 7. These are my details. This is a separate file that I need to now associate it with. So I need to change my details to file save as details B. Okay, and then I have a couple other files in there that I won't get into right now. But anyway, so I'll come over here to Layout, Tools, Layout, Project, and Layout Files. I don't want Plan 4. I want Plan B, right? So I double-click this. I don't want Details 1. I want Details B. And changed B. Boilerplate notes is just something I just recently started doing because something I learned from Jared. Now this is my demo plan, and this actually needs to go back to Plan B. So I've now relinked Control Save W, Control Save W, Control Save W. Now I need to open up my layout B. And now you're going to see the files that are associated with layout B. This is really an exact duplicate of layout 1 or layout A. Tools, layout. Layout is layout files are plan B. I guess I made a mistake. Browse. Somewhere in there should be B. I made a mistake, I guess. Workshop details B. It's in there somewhere. Who cares? But theoretically, you get your the new plan, new details, and if you're using boilerplate files in your layout, you got those in here too. So now you got to totally edit this thing, right? So W, go to sheet number 4. That should be where my floor plan is. Yes, right there. Yeah, this is whatever. So now you got to strip this down. Now, if I was just going to change one thing, I would just change this window right here to an arch window, and everything would be good. I mean, I'd have a new plan, but I'm really going to change the whole thing around. So you got to get rid of all this stuff that you've already done. It's going to be a totally different kitchen, totally different bathroom, etc. So you go to File, you go to Edit, Delete Objects, All Floors, select everything. Yes, turn off the automatic framing. Yes, turn off. So everything's now selected. But now you need to unselect 3 things. I unselect, I think, Manual Dimensions, CAD, and Terrain Objects. You choose what you want to delete, but that's what I found. Oh, no, text. I don't want to delete text, you nitwit. I want to delete my dimensions. It's text, CAD, and terrain objects. Text, terrain, and CAD objects. I'm going to delete all that stuff. Done. Now all that stuff is deleted with the exception of the walls. So now I need to get rid of the walls. Come down into here, delete my walls, go up here, delete my walls, delete these walls, delete, and what's left? H. There might be a few other things I have to delete. So I'm deleting them pretty quick. Oh, it's these things right here. It's my moldings and stuff. So you really just have to go in here and delete. And these are some invisible walls. This is some moldings that I have. You just delete these moldings. Delete. I'm going to delete this. Chimney, I'm going to keep my chimney. I'm going to keep my chimney cap because I'm just going to relocate it to a different location. These are walls, site walls that probably won't be on this plan here. Hey, I wonder what that is. I got a hole in my slab. Isn't that interesting? I wonder where that came from. Anyway, you got to be careful. It's going to be a different sidewalk, I think. Notice I've left my driveway, my sidewalk, my road, and my slab right there, F6. And I've got some walls in here that I need to get rid of. And sometimes that's probably that's probably the wall down below. There's going to be some little CAD stuff that you don't really need on this. I leave a lot of the CAD, but a lot of the CAD I don't need, so I just get rid of it, like this stuff here. You know, you get the idea. You just get rid of some of this CAD stuff that you don't need right here. I leave my attic access in there because I'm just going to relocate it to a different location. But you get the idea. There's a CAD line that I'm not going to use. Delete that. This sidewalk's not going to be there. The patio slab, so you can see I got rid of that. I think these are walls, or half walls or something that I didn't get rid of when I did the. I wonder what those are. Oh, those are probably invisible walls, you think? Go to my work set. Work. And that should show all my walls. Yeah, there's an invisible wall right there. Wow, I don't know where. What is this? What layer is that on? Oh, attic walls. Oh, don't I have my attic walls on? Oh, maybe I have to go up one more level. Nope. Down a level. I'm in my work set. I should have my walls attic on. W-A-L-L walls at there. I don't know, but just delete them. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, now I really got rid of everything, and there might be a little CAD stuff here that I have to get rid of. And now you'll look at this stuff right here. You'll see that you know there's no walls there anymore. That's my floor plan. That's my here's my roof framing plan. You see all this stuff right here? This is just CAD stuff. I'll probably relocate for my CAD. I still have my sections here because I still have my section cuts in my plan. So I'm going to get new section cuts once I do whatever I do, and that's probably a tie to my detail sheet. I can get into that. So now, so everything's stripped down. Let's go to the site plan. You'll see the site plan. This is all that's left of the site plan, and so this is this house right here. This is how I get my area analysis. And I forget what this is. The whatever it is. So this house is now going to be more rectangular. Okay, just it's more rectangular. So this is the shape. You know, this I did an as-built, and so this is really the shape of this house right here. And this garage is squared off like this, and this is the house now. And now what you do is you keep in mind that the front of this is going to be this is the shape of the new house right here. Now I'm going to have to put my walls in, but the bottom line is right here where this wall and this wall intersects. That's depending upon. Look, if this house really sticks out another 5 feet, 60 inches, simply move this whole thing over 60 inches, minus 60, because what happens is this helps it with layout, because I know everything in the layout is associated with really this point right down here by where this W is. It's the right wall, it's where the far right wall and the most front wall intersect at this point, and that way all that stuff will line up in the layout. So now I simply go to my floor plan work set, and I'm going to start drawing my walls. Oh, this is by the way, these are my demo walls. So select all, lock all layers except for my demo, which is my pink walls there. Now I'm just going to select all those pink walls and delete them. And those are just CAD lines, okay? So now I'm going to unlock everything. Select all, unlock. Oh, Jesus Christ. Select all, unlock it. And now I can start drawing my walls. I'll do part 2 in a second. End of part 1.